likely contributing in any way to the continuation of Israel's unlawful plan. We haven't done that. That arose directly from a decision of the International Court of Justice last July, where the court says that all states have an obligation to aid or assist Israel's unlawful activity in any way. And then, having identified any aspects of the relationship that could be assisting Israel, we should implement. Whether it's military, we still have a military liaison attached to our embassy in Israel. Trade, we have a trade development office in Israel. Cultural, in any way, financing, there are Australian organisations that send money to Israeli organisations that establish or support settlement. And the court has said the settlements are unlawful. So we should be looking at all those relationships. There's a particular issue for Australian citizens who serve in the Israeli Defence Forces. Our law does not prohibit